Hi everyone, this is ASB News. I'm Meaw, and the heading today is the Joplin tornado. Yesterday, the Joplin tornado, which looked like it might be one of the most destructive tornadoes in American history, cut through the center of Joplin. Punch, the new reporter, she's going to show you a video of the disaster.
The tornado destroyed big trees, vegetation, houses, and many buildings in the area. It might be looked like the deadliest tornado since more than half a century. Unfortunately, I've seen people that died are lying down street, and more than 100 people got killed, and more than 1,000 people got injured. As you can see here, building wreckage and trees are lying around. People trying to find their family and friends from the wreckage.
Normally, the humid continental region weather isn't like this, but now, after the tornado had cut through the Joplin, the weather is awful. This time of the year is spring. Spring in Joplin usually starts off cool and ends up with warm, but this year the weather is terrible. And that's it from the ASB News. Goodbye.